Hi, I'm going to show you how to calculate the integral of arctangent square root of x dx. Okay, you can solve this integral by combination of substitution rule and the formula for integration by parts. So if you define u as square root of x, therefore x will be equal to u2, and if you take the derivative from each side of this equation, dx will be equal to 2u du. Okay, now, if you substitute these two expressions into this integral, you can rewrite it as integral of, instead of arctangent square root of x, I write arctangent. Instead of square root of x, I write u times dx. And instead of dx, I write 2u du. That is 2u du. Okay? And this integral now, you can calculate it using the formula for integration by part. That is integral of v dw will be equal to vw minus integral of w dv. Okay, so now here, if I define 2u du as dw, okay, here 2u du as dw, therefore w will be equal to u2. Okay, and if I define arctangent u as v, okay, and if I take the derivative from each side of this equation, derivative of arctangent u is equal to du divided by 1 plus u2 will be equal to dv. Okay, so now you need to substitute basically these expressions, these equations into this formula for integration by part. Okay, therefore you can write that integral as v times w, and v is arctangent u times w, that is u2. Therefore that form will be equal to u2 arctangent u minus integral of w dv, and w is u2, and dv we already calculated in the previous slide as du divided by 1 plus u2. Okay, so this one now you can write it as u2 arctangent u minus integral of u2 plus 1 minus 1 divided by u2 plus 1 du. Okay, and you can write it as u2 arctangent u minus u2 plus 1 divided by u2 plus 1 is 1 times du, that will be du minus minus will be plus integral of du divided by u2 plus 1. Okay, u2 plus 1. Okay, and this one will be equal to u2 arctangent u minus integral of du is u plus integral of du divided by u2 plus 1 from table of integral. You know that is equal to arctangent u. That will be plus arctangent u plus c, which is the constant of the integral. Okay, so here all you need to do is to substitute this parameter u by the definition of u, which is equal to square root of x. Okay, if you look at the previous slide, you see here u was square root of x. Okay, so therefore this one will be equal to u2 will be x. Okay, arctangent u will be square root of x minus u square root of x plus arctangent instead of u I write square root of x plus c, which is the constant of the integral. And this is the solution to our integral. Okay, I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you.